if it is because of that law, RA 6735, prohibit it from continuing, from doing what they're doing, because that law has 20 years ago been invalidated as basis for people's initiative. Yan.
Sir, pwede bang ikabit yan dun sa tanong na yan? Bakit ikaw pumunti? Pwede ikabit dun sa tanong na bakit nadagdagan ng budget nila ng 12 billion? Na, di ba sir, yung nadagdagan sa BICAM?
12.9. 12.9.
Supposedly for next year, but may also be used, di ba wala namang sinabi na specifically for the election next year? Pwede dun siya magamit sa...
O yung line yata doon, line na referenda, plebiscite, people's initiative, and other preparatory election activities. Yun yata yung line doon.
So pwede ikabit yung
Sana hindi nila malimutan na budget is a law.